Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be having a little friendly face-off between two of the world's top battle rifles, AK47 and AR15. I'm going to be putting 30 rounds down range out of each of these and see which one can get it done the quickest. Let's get right to it. Okay guys, first up's the AR15. I'm going 15 rounds in the gun, 1 in the chamber, safety on. I'm going to put 5 rounds in the barrel, 5 rounds on a 50-yard target, 5 rounds on a 100-yard target, mag change, 5, 5, and 5. I'm going to be timing this. I've got a 3-second delay on my timer, so on the second beat is our key to go. Here we go. .23.1. First shot, .87. Not too bad if I must say so myself. America, baby. Okay guys, now let's see how quick we can do it with the AK-47. Same thing, 1 round in the chamber, safety on, 5, 5, 5, mag change, 5, 5, 5. So, here we go. .66. First shot was at 1.3, first recorded shot. 23.1 versus 30.6. It's a bad day, Russia. American. Oh man. Of course you all know the AR-15 fires a .223, smaller round than the AK. A couple advantages you have with that, or with the AR, is the smaller round has less recoil, and another huge advantage in this situation where it's a lot of sunlight out here is the peep sight on the rear kind of blocks the sun, which is better to shoot in a lot of light, but more difficult to shoot in low light situations. Where you have the open top leaf sight on the AK makes it very difficult to shoot in this sunlight. So AK versus AR, speed shoot, American for the win, baby. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. It always helps out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hope y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all.